Yuda. Donnie, napaamin sa harap ng madla. Biglaan siyang binigay sa akin, but she's the best moment of my life. I love when we are together, playing, laughing, hugging, and supporting each other. I realize how happy I am by her side. Be with someone who will take care of you, not materialistically, but take care of your soul, your well-being, and your heart, and everything that's you. Yan ang sagot ng aktor sa madla ng tinanong kung gaano ba kahalaga si Bel Mariano sa kanya.